Hi guys, I just wanted to post a quick video to give you some instructions on how to access Blackboard Collaborate, which will be the platform we will use to do some live learning and Q&A and just interaction for the remainder of the semester on Tuesdays at our normal meeting time, which would be 12 noon. We probably won't go the entire time. Again, this is not mandatory for you to log on at these noon sessions on Tuesday. It's for those students that just want to have that live contact, that live interaction. Based on how many students show up will kind of determine what all I decide to discuss as far as content, and then you guys are free to ask questions, and we can just kind of see where each of the live sessions take us based on the needs of those that show up. So to access that Blackboard Collaborate platform, you're going to click on this link here that says Blackboard Collaborate on the left-hand side of your course menu. Once you click on that, it's going to take you to a new screen, and you're going to click on this link here, the only link that there is available. Once you click on that link, you're going to hit Join Course Room. And then once you join that, then you are in. There's nothing else that you have to do. I will open the site, and you will see that it is open once you get there. The only other thing that you will need to do is these buttons down here. This one you'll need to click on and make sure that it is green and working. That's your audio. And then this one here, you'll click that, and it will share out your video. I don't have my webcam on right now, but it'll give you a preview of what the image looks like of you, and then you can share out your video whenever you are ready and hit share video. So just make sure that those two things are on before you go live. If you have any other questions about this, feel free to let me know, but we will go ahead and meet for our first session this Tuesday. That will be April the 7th. At 12 noon then. I look forward to seeing you guys then. Hope you guys are all well and safe.